Alright guys, we just woke up, well, a while ago. We stopped putting on any clothes or anything, so I'm doing it Canadian style. Is this how you guys do it up in Canada? But anyway, we got the Kyosho Blizzard. Don't make fun of my driving because I have no idea how to drive this thing, and I just tried and I look like a complete fool driving it. So this is my first run with it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to learn how to turn, going the opposite way of what I want.
I can't film from over there. I can't see it.
I don't know how to drive.
Back it up. I can't see it. It's stuck. Is that Ireland? Hi, babies. She says, what is that?
Huh?
Just trying to... How many inches do we have? We have like, I don't know, 5 or 6. Go get it, baby girl.
I think I love it too much snow.
She has growing pains, guys, so she limps on her right foot, so just FYI.
I don't know how to turn. How do you turn this damn thing? There we go, I got it.
Go get it, Ireland.
It goes through the snow pretty good though. Just you need to plow. Dang it. Get it out, babe.
Yeah, right. I have socks on. Hi, lovers.
It is so hard to drive. I need to go to a pistol setup with this thing.
Is it stuck?
Alright, land. Should we even put this up?
Yeah, bug.
I can't figure out how to turn it. Go get it.
Go get it, baby girl.
Oh. We got a 2S LiPo battery in there too. Damn it, I put down the plow and I don't want to. I need to take the plow off.
Just keep the plow up. So you keep... You're trying to use the right side to move it left and right in order to steer, and that's controlling the...
Not a smart idea.
It's controlling the plow. The right side is. All right. Do something fantastical so I can sign off. Oh. Oh, my toes. My toes. Okay.
It's fun, but this sucks.
It's totally different from
It's totally different. It's so hard to drive. I'm going to have to figure it out eventually. But I'm probably just going to go to a pistol grip setup. So if you guys have any links to somebody setting up to use just a pistol grip, let me know. And that'll be very, very helpful. Alright guys, see you later. Take care.
It's out of control. He's not doing anything. He's... Oh.
I turned... Lesson learned. Turn the remote... leave the remote on before you turn the car off. Especially on this one.
Yeah,
you should always do that though anyway.
Or else that's what happens there.
Yeah, but you should do that though anyway. It's pretty cool. It's not really claimed to be waterproof electronics, but the snow doesn't really get in there that much. But just to be careful, you know, I just stuck a Gen 6 battery in there. I want to put an expensive one in there, so just in case something happened. But there you go, guys. All right, later.
Say bye, Ireland. It's not as scary when it's not moving. All right, there you go. Bye, guys.